Right, just going on one of the woodland walks you can do. Sun keeps trying to come out.
Yeah, it's nice and it goes a bit cool again, doesn't it? But
Yeah,
see where we end up.
should have put my sketches on for this.
You haven't got your sketches on? Oh dear.
No.
I've always got mine on. Just a little picnic area.
Yeah.
Oh, hopefully we'll be able to walk around, get out of these trees and get a nice view of the valley.
It's an ant.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's various wooden sculptures all dotted all the way along. Done by a local sculptor. Various animals, so you should see more.
Not a carpenter.
No, sculptor. He might be a carpenter by trade if he can carve into wood. He can be a carpenter. Whether he can sing as well. Like the carpenters, who knows, but I read something in the leaflet so about that. I'm no expert. There you go. What's this?
Looks like it's rotten a bit.
Yeah. Seen better days.
Yeah.
But go on, you're going to risk going up there. You're going to end up falling over, aren't you, up there? Oh, well, it's gone the normal path. There's a normal path designed.
Because I want to be. Oh look.
Oh dear. Now what we're doing?
Look.
Yo, risking life and limb. Jeez, going off. We're going off the trail. Yeah, oh, there you go. There's a nice view and a little bit of blue sky as well for a bonus.
Yes.
Oh, and there's the quarry equipment, look, where they're probably digging out all the stone and whatnot.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Dun dun dun. Nice. It's all right getting up. Can you get back down again?
This is where I slip.
Yeah. don't come into me. Oh, it's Kev. Oh no, doing well.
Oh, who was that? Mr. Potato Head, wasn't it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you have to put other things on, look.
Oh, make him yourself.
What's that one?
Don't know.
Oh, that's an eye. Aye.
There you go, you can go there. Anyway, over the bridge and far away. So I wonder if this actually takes you back down.
Oh, look at that, look.
There we go, yeah. High five. So I wonder if you actually follow this, it takes you all the way back down to the main part of the tram village.
Could do.
Rather than to get a tram. I don't know. Oh, it is dog friendly here as well. I've seen dogs knocking around here, so it probably would be a reasonable place. It'd be a bit difficult to get a dog on a tram though. You'd probably have to stay downstairs, wouldn't you? But
Yeah.
where's this? Which way? This sign's there. God, you can go. What's this? Oh, left. Look, it's a bit bandstand thing there.
You're missing your treasure. It's quite good. Area. Make a yarn bee, is that?
And so if you get on the end there's a beautiful view of the Derwent.
Oh, is that?
It's like a children's event, so obviously it's school holidays, but if you go near that hedge, get a nice view of
I think the adults are having more fun.
yeah.
Can I have the dowling and the spring?
A bit more of that view.
That view.
Yeah, the Derwent Valley, nice view. I don't know what those rocks are.
Stepping stones, aren't they?
Want to carry on or go back to us and get the tram down, or walk, or go back on foot? Oh, there's a
Oh,
tram
it's
that's
the
come
sea.
past us there, so...
Oh, is this a dead end?
Well, no, the path carries on.
I thought this was a dead end.
No. So I'm assuming that this all runs back down to where we started,
Should do.
maybe.
What's this? What's this?
No idea.
Oh, okay.
Not working.
Yeah, but there's a quarry.
More sculpture. Oh, a sculpted bench like a sofa. Bit low. Oh, there's these. stepping stones and
Yeah.
things. That way, this way. There you go, they're helpful signs, aren't they? And it's another
Other
path,
way.
another path to take you back the other way, and so many paths to explore.
We didn't do this last time, did we?
No, I don't even know if it was here. Unless they were doing it last time we came. I can't even remember a woodland walk being advertised last time.
No.
So it could be a new thing, to be fair. Because we haven't been for, what, must be 10, 15 years. Stories with Maria.
And not the blondies, Maria.
Mm. Another path going that way. So that year open-ended ticket then, you could easily come back and discover something you hadn't even seen before.
Yeah.
In this woodland area anyway. It feels like we're heading back in the right direction to the tram village, but hopefully we're not.
Sounds like it, because I can hear the trams.
Yeah, oh yeah, there's the rock face, so we're running parallel, so. Yeah, so you can catch a tram up and walk back, because obviously there's no walking down the tram line, so this is a. It's quite easy to walk on as well, isn't it? It's not. You don't need walking boots for it. Oh, there's the car park, yeah, we're heading back in the right direction.
Oh,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
that play park.
Oh, so it's not
Is that where
even.
it started the video?
Yeah, so we've done a circuit then. So that's all right. So if you actually wanted to, you could walk back up and get a tram back down if you really wanted, or.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Bowes Line Bridge will be on the left.
As Beyonce would say.
Well, on the left.
Yeah, on the left.
I don't know what's up there. Woodland Walk, something up there. Oh yeah, there's the bridge. What's that?
And view.
Oh, there you go. It's a view. Lead smelter and view. There you go, so you can come to a tramway museum and walk, not catch a tram.
Yeah.
There you go, makes sense. Pay 23 quid to go for a walk in the woods. Why not? It's a bargain.
Oh, here's the view.
Oh, here's a better view. There you go, this looks nice.
I can imagine in winter when all the leaves are gone,
Yeah,
you see a lot more.
yeah. Because they're saying the lead smelter.
Where was it?
I don't know, it's somewhere on the right hand side. So I don't know whether the trees are blocking it, I don't know, but. Look. Well, you can't see the rock face, can you? So I don't know.
And the rock faces that way.
Yeah, so
Because here's the thing.
yeah, I was going to say, the rock face, yeah, so the view's blocked, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, there you go. So we've just got to enjoy this view this way. Oh, we are cramped.
So we're just
Can't be-
heading to the Red Lion pub. Oh, is it cafe now? Or pub?
Well, it's a pub, so it's advertised as a pub, so we're going to see what's in there.
It's on offer.
So that woodland walk's quite pleasant to come back, so,
Yeah.
you know, obviously you get a tram ticket, you can ride up and down all day long, so we could go back up and come back down again if we really wanted to, but...
Oh, what was that song where we marched them up to the top of the hill?
Grand Old Duke of York. Yeah, a bit like that. We marched to the top of the hill, then we marched back down again, didn't we? So,
Yes.
that was quite a nice, pleasant walk though. To be fair, you know, Doncaster Corporation tramways. There you go, so...
1902.
So we've got lots of buildings dismantled from different areas of the country and,
Shipped here.
yeah, re-erected here. Got Burnley tramway, you've got a Derby, I think a Derby assembly room
There was
building.
something on there on Blackpool, wasn't there? As
Yeah,
well.
yeah. So, yeah, this is the pub. This has probably been dismantled from somewhere and brought back. Just look at the decor of it. It's really nice, like a proper traditional.
I think I got the out of that when I was walking down here.
Yeah. Oh, it's like a British pub. Look at look, isn't that nice?
With the tiles. That's how pubs used to be.
Really nice.
So let's have a look inside. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Take care.